Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you, or I'm here to walk you through on how to remove all existing captions in InShot. So if you want to remove all existing captions, maybe you want to edit a particular video that already has a caption in it and you want to add either new captions to the video, and before you can do that you need to remove the existing caption in the video before you can now add a new caption to it, to avoid two captions on a single video. Here is a quick tip on how to do that. So if you want to remove existing captions before you add a new caption in InShot, the first thing you have to do is tap on the T icon, which is the text. Tap on it, then you tap on the caption icon, tap on it. Then before you auto generate captions for the video, make sure you toggle on these particular options at the down part of the start button, which is remove all existing captions. Make sure you toggle it on. Then these features will automatically remove the existing captions in the video, and that is how it works in InShot. If you find this video informative, subscribe and follow for more. Thank you.